Customer Quotes Report. From Customer Quotes Report, you can view your customer quotations. To access this report, go to Customers, Reports, Customer Quotes. You can select date range. You can select monthly, quarterly, yearly, month to date, quarter to date, year to date, life to date, custom to date, last month, last quarter, last year. If you select custom dates, you can select specific date range. If you select all, system will display all date range customer quotations. You can select specific customer, range of customers, or if you don't select any customers, system will display all customers quotations. You can select customer category. You can select a particular customer category, range of customer categories. If you don't select any customer category, system will display all customer categories quotations. From status, you can select active customers, inactive customers, or both customers. From document status, you can select accepted quotations, declined quotations, pending quotations, expired quotations, or invoice quotations. If you select all, system will display all status quotations. If you check Use Foreign Currency checkbox, system will display quotations in customer's currency. Hit View Report button to generate the report. From this report, you can view quotation date, quotation expiry date, document number, quotation reference from customer reference, customer name, exclusive amount, VAT amount, total amount, sales reps, and status of the quotation. If you uncheck Use Foreign Currency checkbox and refresh, system will display all quotations in local currency. Furthermore, you can view grand total. If you check Use Foreign Currency checkbox, system will display all transactions in customer's currency and you cannot view grand total. Furthermore, by clicking these quotations, you can view the original document. You can export this report to PDF, Excel, or CSV. You can print this report or email this report. If you want to follow up your expired quotations, you can select Expired from Document Status and you can generate the report. Like that, if you want to select any particular status, you can select from document status drop down menu.